Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to figure out how to use your Visa card on Venmo, you're in the right place. Venmo is a super convenient app for splitting bills or sending money to friends, and adding a Visa card makes transactions even easier. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get started without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app downloaded on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Venmo, and install it. It's free and straightforward. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. If you're new, just sign up with your email or phone number. It only takes a minute. Now, let's add your Visa card. Tap on the menu icon, usually in the top corner, and look for Settings or Wallet. In the Wallet section, you'll see an option to add a bank or card. Select Add a card, and choose credit or debit card. Your Visa will fit here. Enter your card details carefully. That's your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Venmo might ask for verification, like a small test charge, so keep an eye on your bank statements for that. Once added, your Visa card will be ready to use. To make a payment, just go to the main screen, select the person or group you want to pay, enter the amount, and choose your Visa as the funding source. It's that simple. One quick tip. Always double-check for any fees. Venmo is usually free for debit cards, but credit cards like Visa might have a small charge. Also, ensure your card is enabled for online transactions to avoid any issues. If you run into problems, like a declined card, contact your bank first. Using Venmo with Visa is a game changer for everyday payments, making it faster and more flexible. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.